everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and having a very happy and active life with your family, with your friends. So first of all, I just want to say sorry to all of you because last week I couldn't upload any video for some internet issue, and also I couldn't share anything on my community tab. So sorry for that. But today I am back with a fresh and brand new video for you all. It's going to be a simple what I eat in a day category video. It's not a particular diet plan related video. So I'll be sharing what I'll eat throughout the day, and also my friends is going to be a nutritious full day meal plan, and of course we'll have some idea that what you can eat throughout the day if you are having a very busy day. Just like today I'll have so many other things to do, so I'll share this video just for you all if you are having a very busy life. So from starting to early morning to night time, I'll share a full day what I eat in a day category video. So now let's start.
So my friends, always my day starts with a tall glass of lukewarm water with some lemon. Especially in the summertime, I'm not taking honey, but yeah, usually I take honey with my lemon water. So yes, this water I have been drinking for a long period of time, and it's very beneficial for my health, and I would suggest you all to have this water especially in early morning, and it will help you to flush out all the toxin from your body, and also it will help you to cut your belly fat, and of course you will be super energetic and super positive throughout the day if you can start your day with this lemon water. So yes, this is a beautiful day outside, and I have started my day with this.
And now it's breakfast time, and I'll be making super easy, nutritious and very healthy breakfast. So let's see.
And my friends, whenever I'm having a very busy day and I cannot afford a lot of time to make my breakfast, that day I always choose to have poached egg with some bread. And my friends, eggs are perfect choice to start your day. It's high in protein, and of course it will give you the energy throughout the day. And here is 2 pieces of brown bread. I'm toasting it in the tawa, and yes, it's almost ready. So yeah, here you can see my poached egg is ready. Within just 2-3 minutes I can make this breakfast, and trust me, it will be super yummy. And now I'm going to serve my breakfast in this lovely plate. This is my favorite plate nowadays, the black one. And here you can see 2 pieces of brown bread, and now I'm going to add some peanut butter on the top of the bread. This is an organic peanut butter, and this is very good for your health, full in vitamin E. And of course, if you are allergic to peanut butter, if you don't want to have peanut butter, then you can spread just normal butter on top of the toast. But yeah, I'll suggest you all, instead of having butter, you can always have some ghee on your toast, because ghee is a good fat, and Rujuta ma'am, the famous dietitian, she always tells us to have ghee. Ghee is very good for our health, especially if you are on your weight loss journey. It's a good fat. So yes, here my breakfast is ready. And with this very yummy peanut butter toast and poached egg, I'm going to enjoy this green tea. My friends, this is a fat cutter tea, and lemon, honey and ginger green tea is a perfect choice to have with your breakfast. And now I'm going to enjoy this super yummy and very healthy breakfast. So I hope you have liked my idea. And after finishing my breakfast around 8:30, now the time is around 10:30, and this time I always choose to have some fruits, seasonal fruits, and now in this summertime I think watermelon is a perfect choice. So now I'm going to enjoy this watermelon as my mid-morning snacks. And now for my lunch, I'll be making some sabji, and I'll make it super quickly because I told you I'm having a busy day, but still I just want to have some vegetable in my diet. I always love to have some veggies, especially in lunchtime. So here I'm making a mixed vegetable. I have added kalonji and green chili, and then I have added all these veggies. Trust me, my friends, do try it in your home. This is a very less spicy and less oily veggies, and it will be perfect for your weight loss journey too. Now I'm adding just a little bit of turmeric powder or haldi powder and some namak or salt. And yes, here is broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, and also little bit of potatoes and cabbage. So yes, now I'm making these veggies. And now after sauteing all the veggies, I'll add little bit of water and also I'll cover the lid and it will be ready within just 5 to 10 minutes. And my friends, from my previous night I have some chicken curry and also I have made some dal. So with all these ingredients I'll be having a very delicious lunch platter. So let's see how my lunch looks like. And yeah, you can see how happy I am with this delicious lunch platter. So this is how it looks like. And there is my dal and chicken curry. So now I'll show you the full platter, how it looks like, my lunch platter. I always promote a healthy lifestyle in my channel, my friends. I always tell you to have nutritious meal. I always tell you to stay fit and stay positive. So yes, here is my rice with some sabji salad on side. And here is moong dal which I have made today. And that chicken curry, this is very delicious. And last day was Sunday, so I made this chicken curry for my friends and family. So yes, now I'm enjoying all these lovely yummy dishes with this rice. I had my lunch around 1:30, my friends, you have seen it, and now I'm enjoying my evening tea or afternoon tea, you can say. Now the time is around 4:30. And around this time I'm enjoying my black coffee with 2 pieces of digestive biscuits and 2 pieces of walnuts. So usually around 4:30 to 5:30 in this window I love to have my evening or afternoon snacks, and I always enjoy having my black coffee around this time after a long day. And now it's dinner preparation time. My friends, for today's dinner I'll be making super yummy and super healthy salmon fish bhurji. Yes, here you can see in this oil I have added some onion, green chili and capsicum, little bit of salt. If you are not having fish, then instead of fish you can add some chicken too, you can add paneer, you can add soybean, but please try to add some protein in your dish whenever you are having your dinner, lunch or breakfast. So now I'm sauteing my fish pieces, the salmon fish. And here I'm adding some masalas into it. First of all, I'm adding just a little bit of paprika powder, and I'm making this recipe in olive oil. Trust me, it will be super healthy and super tasty. Please watch it till the end. I have added some green peas too. Fish is a good source of protein, my friends. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially salmon fish, and it's very good for your skin, bone and heart health. Please try to add fish in your diet. Here you can see I have added just a little amount of tomato ketchup for some extra taste and extra punch. And also I have added some oregano powder and little bit of Indian spice mix, which contains actually dhania powder and cumin powder, paprika powder, ajwain powder. So it's very good for your health, and also it's super flavorful and super yummy. And if you don't have this kind of spice mix, you can add just a simple normal Indian spice. And now here you can see my fish pieces are super tender and absolutely ready. Fish always takes a very minimum time to get cooked properly. So here my fish bhurji is almost ready. My friends, if you are vegetarian, then I told you instead of fish you can have soybean, paneer, you can have some dal. But please do try to add protein in your diet. Repeatedly I'm telling you, this is good for your health. And here you can see my fish mixture is absolutely ready. And if you are ultimate fish lover like me, please try it in your home. I am sure you are going to love this. So yeah, it's ready. Now I'll add some lemon juice on top and it will be absolutely ready to eat. Lemon always enhance the flavor of your dish, and also my friends, it will make your dish iron rich. So please do try to add lemon in your diet. So in your poha, in your regular dal, in your chicken curry, in your fish curry, try to add lemon at the last. And now here at last I'm adding some roasted garam masala and cumin powder, and this fish bhurji is very ready to eat with some chapati. I hope you have liked my simple recipe, and trust me, within just 10 minutes you can make this recipe and it will be absolutely healthy for your health. And this is how my dinner platter looks like. 1 piece of whole wheat chapati, and also I have added just a little amount of ghee on the top of my chapati. And there is the sabji that I made in the lunch time, the mixed vegetable. and there is the fish burji that I have made in the dinner time. So yeah, it's super yummy, super healthy, and look how lovely and how tempting it's looking. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my what I eat in a day video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you have liked the recipes that I have shared with you all today. In my channel, I always love to promote healthy lifestyle. So my friends, please stay fit, stay positive, stay always happy. Health is wealth. Please always remember that. Do your regular exercise. I'll see you guys super soon.